becoming a mom of two, I've found it challenging to just stay in a routine where I can keep up with the kids, taking them to school, keeping up with a baby, and just trying to look good while I'm doing it all. When I was introduced to Blend Smart, I was shocked that I actually didn't have to just be doing my makeup with my fingers, because that took me so long. It just cut the time in half. I mean, it was pretty amazing because I had time to actually do my hair now and just be ready for the day. And a lot of times I'm shooting for my blog and things like that, and I just need to kind of still look put together as a mom. So I've just loved Blend Smart because it's made my routine in the morning so much easier, faster, and my look has been so flawless that people are asking me like, what have you done with your skin? It looks amazing. And I'm like, well, I have to tell you about Blend Smart because you wouldn't believe how awesome it is.